Our organization was created to meet the dynamic needs of Mesa County. We recruit individuals 55 and over to serve the entire community, connecting them with local partner organizations, utilizing the knowledge, skills, and abilities that our seniors have worked a lifetime to develop. Since 1973, RSVP has grown our volunteer force from 100 to 500 seniors and developed 3 signature projects to fulfill unmet specialized needs in Mesa County. Our signature projects have grown to become vital resources for our community. Mesa County RSVP is sharpening our focus towards 2 objectives: healthy futures and education. Our contributions in the short term will include growing our current handyman, SHIP, and senior scholar projects. In the long term, it includes developing new projects and strengthening the placements of volunteers in partner organizations with a similar focus. We need additional funding to grow both existing and new projects. That funding will support volunteer training, project-specific materials, and staff support. Mesa County RSVP signature projects make our organization successful. In 1990, handyman services became available to people who are elderly or disabled and low income. Handyman services help clients maintain and adapt their homes, allowing them to live safely and independently. In 1994, we developed Senior Scholar to focus on improving education for children K through 12 in Mesa County. Ongoing school budget cuts dramatically increases the need for these volunteers. In 2008, Senior Health Insurance Assistance Project, or SHIP, was launched to help navigate Medicare. Intensive training allows our volunteers to guide Medicare-eligible clients through their healthcare decisions. Mesa County RSVP is effective because we use the logic model. We identify needs, outline necessary steps, gather needed assets, clarify goals, and measure the ultimate impact on the people we serve. Our greatest asset is our volunteers. What makes us uniquely effective is that we place volunteers with partner organizations throughout the community, and more specifically through our signature projects. By offering quality volunteer positions, identifying specific needs, and providing ongoing training, our volunteers are able to give skilled assistance. This is measurable not only through quantitative data, but also through the gratitude our volunteers experience in the community. The tools Mesa County RSVP uses to track successes are software programs like Volunteer Reporter and Constant Contact. We track the numbers of volunteers, the hours they work, and the individual clients and partner organizations we serve. We also measure satisfaction through survey responses from partner organizations, clients, and volunteers. Thank you letters from our clients highlight our successes. For example, we received a letter from a mother with a disability who said that she and her 14-year-old daughter would not have been able to stay in their home without the help of the Handyman Project. Even though we've been in Mesa County since 1973, people still ask, "What exactly do you do?" Since we don't have a single target audience, it's hard to convey in a few words. Our market is the volunteers we recruit, the member agencies in which we place our volunteers, and our clients who receive services through our signature projects. We make connections between volunteers who want to serve and the positions through which they can impact our community. Over a 5-year period, RSVP volunteers have served 361,457 hours. Our handyman volunteers built 125 wheelchair ramps and installed 333 safety grab bars for our low-income clients who are elderly or disabled. Our Senior Scholar Project volunteers have tutored or helped more than 5,000 children in our community. The Senior Health Insurance Assistance Project has helped over 5,000 Medicare-eligible clients with their insurance issues. A SHIP client recently called to tell us that she had just received a reimbursement check for $629 from Medicare because of the assistance provided by one of our navigators. Over the past several years, funding has not grown in step with our organization, requiring that we consolidate staff positions, cut expenses, and scale back services. It is also a challenge to increase our visibility and improve the understanding of what we do in the community. To improve our brand, our board of directors established a marketing and development committee. That committee started an annual fundraising event, researched additional grants, and upgraded the look of our printed materials and simplified our logo. With additional resources, Mesa County RSVP would expand the existing Handyman, SHIP, and Senior Scholar projects, as well as start new ones. These new projects would use additional resources to develop strategies, helping clients build healthier futures. Efforts would focus primarily on helping elderly or disabled individuals maintain independence in their own homes. RSVP would provide needed support services while continuing to strengthen our organization. There is a need in our community for a phone reassurance project that can provide social support and check on the welfare of elderly or disabled clients. When we evaluate adding a new signature project, we use specific guidelines to decide whether we should move forward, such as: is there a community need that senior volunteers can fill? Does it fit our mission and focus? And is there adequate funding? The Phone Reassurance Project certainly meets the first two criteria. With additional funding, we can hire staff, advertise for clients, recruit, and train volunteers to make regular phone calls.